Kathy's guinea hens. Look how big they're getting. And look how happy they are. They're so cute. There's the boy right there. See the green man on his way? The rest of them are girls. We are back at Kathy's chicken coop. Look how big her baby chicks got. Oh, how cute. There's their food. We'll go in there and see what they're doing. Hello, chickies. Chickies. Hello, girls. Hello, girls. Oh, yes. We have 5 chickies. Yeah. They're in there doing their own thing. Here. Look in the window. A little bit hard to see them in there, but that's okay. What's her name, Kathy?
Friendly.
Friendly?
Yeah, that's what our granddaughter named.
Hello, Friendly. It's like the stuff that makes their eggshells harder.